What's up, Trail Trash? Welcome back. On today's episode, I am just going to show you a few products that I purchased, or a product that I purchased. Actually, a couple of products that I purchased. I was going to go camping this week. My wife was gone for a few days, but after I put the dent in my FJ last week, that really threw me off. So I spent all week watching Paintless dent removal videos on YouTube, and I ordered a few products. So they came in and I've been working on this dent and actually feel good about the dent. Got it to one small little dimple that I still got to get out. I just having trouble finding it. Let me see if I can show it to you. So let me see. So right there, I don't know if you can see it now. Before, I'll put the video from last week up. It was a pretty nasty dent, but like I said, I've got it down to one small ding now. So I don't see it every time I walk out. I do see it because I know it's there. But last week it was making me sick when I walked out. So anyway, I didn't go camping. All week long I've been working on that, and also on my roof rack. Last week when I put my tent back on, I noticed that it needed to be adjusted. And also, let me see if I can spin this around. So on the back, I have these holes that I can reach up in and grab my pins real easily. Well, on the front, the front hole is big enough, but my brackets was on this runner, so I couldn't get my hands through there, and it was a trick trying to reach up in there and get the pin. So I relocated these brackets to the front, and so I moved this bracket up one, and these studs right here, these are T-studs, and they're for my awning bracket. I have two of those for my 270 awning. I have two of those. And so after I dropped my awning last week, I ordered the RacksBrax mounts, and it's a quick release mount, but it requires 3 brackets to mount it to, and I only have 2 of the Victory 4x4, and I didn't want to order another set just for 1 bracket. So I made a bracket for the middle one, and I haven't finished it up, but I'll show you that. Also on the T-studs, I had to get longer ones for my new bracket. And while I was moving this around, I noticed that all the T-nuts and everything, they were pretty rusted. I mean, they were still solid and everything, but I want to show you those. I ordered new ones, so I'm going to replace all the hardware on all my brackets and just get them a little fresher. I'll take you over here and show you the condition of the T-nuts, and everything that I had, and these were from Victory 4x4, and I got on Victory's website to order some more, but for 4 T-nuts and studs they were $20. So I hit up Amazon. Let's see. So on Amazon I got, I don't know, I think it was 16 of each for like $9, and they're same size, everything. Even had a review on there of a guy that has a Victory 4x4 roof rack, so I know they'll fit. He said they were a little snug, and went ahead and ordered extra ones, and then some nylock black hardware for the T studs that I have on my awning. And here's the bracket that I made for the RacksBrax. I think I said RacksBrax, but it was RacksBrax, and this is the HD hitch I'll show you those, but it requires 3 brackets, so that's what I'm working on. I think tomorrow I'm going to work on this. I got some spacers that I got to make, and then I'm going to go ahead and powder coat it black just so it'll blend in. And you won't see this. This will be on top, and this will be facing, but the face of it will actually be covered up by one of the brackets. So, and I just got these, so I don't know exactly how they work, but I know how they work. I just don't know exactly. So it's got the lock in it, so I can lock them, which I like. And these will mount here. And I'm not sure if this mounts to the face or this piece mounts. Let me get one of these out. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. So this would be mounted to one, the other one will be mounted, and then they just pop out and lift up. So I'm hoping these mount to the awning. I hope these mount to the awning, but it doesn't really matter. If that mounts to the awning, then this will mount to the face, and that's all you'll have on the face. And you see the 3 mounting holes. I'll get this other one up here. So either this will mount on there, like so, or this will mount on there, like so. And yep. So pretty neat design, and they say each of these will hold, I think it's 44 pounds, which is good. My awning's about 60 pounds, so I think it's going to be fine. It'll be a lot easier than what I was doing before, and what I do like about this, it comes with a wall mount, so you anchor your extra ones on the wall. And when you take your awning off, you just actually mount it on the wall. So, or you store it on the wall. I like that. So it'll be up and out of the way. But the reason for ordering these T-nuts, like, you see the condition of these. They're like completely rusted out and just in bad. I mean, they're still solid pieces of steel, but just the rusting. That's why I didn't mind ordering from Amazon. I mean, you know, they can't. I don't see them rusting out as quick as those did. So anyway, not a big deal. I'm gonna change those out. But yeah, that's the RacksBrax quick release mount for the awning. Just got to finish up my bracket tomorrow. And hopefully I will get all of that put together tomorrow, and I'll do a video on it and show you how it turns out. All right, so that's it on kind of what I've been doing this week. I'm about to lift this up, put the safety straps on it, and go get me a brisket burger from my local barbecue joint. That's what I'm doing tonight. But before I go, I want to try to show you, can't really get a good picture of the little ding. Yeah, I can't, it's right there. So, yeah, you can see it right there. So that's what I'm working with now, and the trouble I'm having is the way the door opens up. So it's kind of blocking I may actually have to take it off so I can get to it, but all I got to do, what I've been doing is just taking this trim piece out right here, and then you can actually see this panel shine a light up in there. And before I could reach up in there, I could see the ding and feel it. But now it's actually pretty smooth, and I can't find this last little dimple to pop it out, but I'm going to keep working with it. I'd only work on it for about 30 to 40 minutes at a time so I don't get aggravated and mess something else up or make it worse than it is. So, all right, y'all, that is it for this week's video. Just giving you an update. I didn't make it camping, but I am working on the awning and trying to get some of that dialed in a little better so that I don't end up with another dent in my FJ by doing something stupid. But yeah, if you got anything out of this, please like and share it. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so. It helps me out. And until next time, stay trashy.